How do you get kids to eat this little vegetable that's loaded with vitamins? We're going to show you how to do it. It's called a squash casserole. It's full of cheese, buttery crackers on top, and everyone's going to love it. So let's get to cooking. Hey folks, we're here and we're making summer recipes. And today we're going to be making squash casserole. During the summertime, squash is very plentiful, especially if you have a garden. And we just love squash. We like it in a casserole, fried, boiled, any way you can do it. So this is a real good casserole. It's real simple. We took about 3 or 4 medium-sized squash and washed it, cut them up, and we boiled it with half a cup of onion, and we're going to drain it. You just want to just put a little water in there when you're boiling it. We're going to drain the water off of it. And we got it drained, and I just cut it up, just sliced it normal. And we're going to add half a stick of butter melted. And this is a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And pour that in there. A half a cup of shredded cheese. We'll put a little salt, pepper, and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of chopped up fine bell pepper. We already got our onion in there. We got our half a cup of mayonnaise. We got a 8x8 pan that we're going to spray. We're going to mix it all together. Remember, anything with mayonnaise in it, like potato salad, this casserole, you have to keep it cold or cool. Okay. And I forgot 2 eggs I beat up. All mixed together. Okay, here's our casserole. We've mixed it up. We put it in our pan. I'm going to put just a little bit of more cheese on top. It's probably 1/4 cup or thereabout. And then we got our Ritz crackers, squashed up. And put it on there. Covered up. 350 oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. I just took the squash casserole out of the oven and it looks divine. It's brown on top. It's going to be ooey and gooey, and we'll show you that later. It's right now, it'll burn my pothole. So we'll have to wait until testing things later on. But I hope you make this. It's real easy. And if you like squash, you're gonna like this squash casserole. And I hope you try it. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.